Hi, and welcome to Printer Repair 101. Today we're going to be showing you how to remove a print head from an Epson all-in-one printer. Now, being in the printer repair industry for well over 40 years, I'd like to think my method is the cleanest and most efficient way of getting the print head removed. Now, to begin this repair you will need the following tools. You're going to require a special tool number 6174, which is this. Then you'll need a special tool number 2050. See here. You will then need a special tool number 3050, which you could use one of these. You will also need a special tool number 903 and a special tool number 2031. And in some of the older pre-2008 models, you may require a scanner bed and print head extraction device. And of course, you will need closing and cleaning equipment. Now, to begin the repair, you can download our 9-step PDF guide at our website www.printerrepairspecialist.co.uk. Now, first thing you do is you remove the paper feed tray and the output tray. There are no tools required for this method, but you can use the printer repair tool number 903. That may help with the process, especially if you're a beginner. Now, so what we do is we just get the tray and we remove it, being careful not to damage any of the small plastic clips at the edge. Now, the paper feed tray on this model has already been removed by the customer, probably through carelessness, so we won't touch on that today. The next thing to do is to carefully remove the scanner cover so not to damage the glass. Now, experienced technicians will not require any special tools. However, beginners may wish to use special tool number 60174. So what you do is, if you're an experienced user, you simply apply small amounts of leverage to the top and base and just simply remove the scanner tray. Now, this method is probably not easy if you're a beginner. That's why I recommend the use of a tool. We'll keep that for later because we will need to reapply this. Now, we'd simply remove the ink cartridges from the printer and discard them because we will need to replace the inks once we've replaced the head. Now, we disconnect the print head carefully so not to damage the cables. Once again, you can use a tool for this method. So you just carefully get the cables and carefully, as not to damage them, remove them. Now notice they don't fray at the end when done correctly. Now, you need to remove the old print carriage using special tool number 3050, taking care not to damage its plastic surrounds. Once again, remembering, if you have the pre-2008 model, you will require the special device. However, it can be costly. So we simply apply leverage to the bottom of the carriage to remove it. And there you have your old, defunct print carriage. Now, before installation of the new carriage, I would highly recommend cleaning it, because obviously, as everyone knows, a clean printer is good for the customer, and it also helps to remove any debris that may have been built up inside. Make sure you get right in there. There we have it, a nice clean printer. Now, you install your new carriage. See here, a brand new, undamaged, recently opened Epson printhead. And you just take the cables and attach them like so. And then you use your special tool to just fit that. Now, just simply reverse the steps I've given you to attach everything back together. So simply scanner bay, and paper feed. Now, you may need to use some fixing tape to make sure it stays together in the final process. Right. Now, lastly, the thing to do is to just clean the unit. Once again, mostly just cosmetic, and you can remove any small minor imperfections you may have caused using some plastic polish during the course of this repair. So if I just smear that on and give it a good clean. Now this process does take some time. It could take anything up to 4 hours depending on how experienced you are. So I'll just leave you for a minute while I clean this, and I'll resume in a second. Oh hi, welcome back. Now I've been at this for a good possibly 3 hours now, but as you can see it's really starting to show. All the minor scuffs and imperfections I may have caused in the process of the repair have been rectified. You can see everything's fully functioning as it should be. I've even found a replacement paper feed tray for the customer. Happy customer there. Okay, well thank you for joining us for Printer Repair 101. Next week we'll be taking apart a Lexmark.